Welcome back, everyone. Some folks up north are seeing some sunshine today, while others in the Southern Valley dealing with some snow, some wintry mix and some rain. Here's a look at the current satellite and radar. We've got heavy snow down in parts of South Dakota, prompting the closure of I-29 from the state line down into Watertown, South Dakota. Meanwhile, temperatures have been mild at most. We're at 38 degrees right now here in Fargo, 39 in Detroit Lakes and Bemidji, 40 in Baudette, a little cooler off to the west. We're at 26 in Devils Lake, 28 in Oaks. As for the wind, it has been becoming increasingly gusty throughout the afternoon. We're gusting to 45 miles per hour right now in Oaks, 47 mile per hour gusts in Alexandria. Here's what to anticipate now for the rest of our night. We're going to continue to see that area of heavy snow that's currently in northeastern North Dakota kind of slide off to the east through the next couple of hours. And places that are currently seeing wintry mix or rain, as temperatures fall tonight, likely see a transition over to some wet, heavy snow. So a mess on roadways. You want to pay very close attention to travel conditions if you're headed down into Minnesota along I-29 towards the Twin Cities, or really anywhere in places like Otter Tail County, Douglas County in this vicinity. That's where roads will be quite slick by tomorrow morning. Precip clears out and we're looking like a quieter day for our Saturday. Temperatures on the cooler side, and we see a breeze pick up through the day out of the south for the most part, with increasing clouds late. As for the snowfall potential through tomorrow when the system exits, still looking at areas of heavy snow. Heaviest where it's heavy right now, 5 to 9 inches of accumulation. Isolated spots in the Sisseton Hills could see higher amounts than that. In the blues, the darker blue, that's going to be closer to that 5-inch mark, but it rapidly ramps down to near zero within just a matter of miles. You can see just how narrow that band is. Temperatures tomorrow afternoon after this first alert weather day. It'll be another chilly one, primarily in the 20s and some low 30s. Sunday, though, looking like the warmest day of the week with temperatures close to 40 degrees. But next week, we're watching our next potential major winter storm. We've got first alert weather days that we've been talking about now almost all week for April 4th and 5th. Still watching that large Colorado low that's taking shape and aiming towards the northern plains and the upper Midwest. Still looking to impact a good chunk of our viewing area, but we are very carefully monitoring that track and any shifts in the track. Potential for regional travel impacts to newborn livestock, weight of snow on your roof, significant snow accumulation, and very strong winds. Here's a quick look at the timing. This is now Tuesday, which is April 4th. We're starting to see that snow move in. Areas of wintry mix and rain possible to the south. Again, we're carefully watching the track for where the heaviest snow bands will be setting up and where that transition zone is to more wintry mix. Here's the latest American model. It has shifted to the south and east compared to yesterday, but all areas in red, that's the greatest risk area of significant snow, around 6 inches or more. Again, not saying that's where we're going to see 6 inches, just a risk area. As for the European model, doesn't look like it wants to load right now, but I'll have that here in the next half hour. Looking at your planning forecast, cold tomorrow morning. We're looking at single digits for most, becoming breezy in the afternoon ahead of a warm front. That warm front might bring a little bit of wintry mix on Sunday, primarily across the north. Then next week, heavy snow and windy conditions, and we stay chilly behind that, warming only into the mid-30s, it looks like, for our first week of April.
So definitely enjoying this weekend, no doubt. 27 and a 39.
Not too shabby.
That's definitely going to be pretty good. Summer, thank you so much.